let me show you how to use the ITK-SNAP briefly. Our ITK-CVE-SNAP is built based on the open source ITK-SNAP. So let me show you how to use it to visualize your 3D object, your segmentation, as well as the raw membrane volume. And yeah, I'm showing the page on the Google Colab. I have already run the composition step, as well as the membrane segmentation step, as well as the cell object segmentation step. So I have already get the segmented membrane as well as the segmented cell, and as I mentioned at the Google Colab segmentation tutorial video, you can this Colab is provided by Google. So if you want to open and see the inside of the file, you need to download it on your computer, and so that you can open it with ITK-SNAP. So you can have a send comment here, and if you want to copy other file to your Google Drive, you can do the same thing. So you run this comment, no such file, and let's check. And I think this is in the root, the current root. So let's copy that. Oh, cannot stay. I have a wrong embryo name, so you just need to check the embryo name as well as the time point. Oh, yeah. Yes, you should have a send here to make sure you do have the file in the Colab computer. So is successfully copied to your Google Drive root under the CMap code. Just check it. CMap code. Yeah, here's 2 file here. Download it. After you download the Google Map, the raw cell and the segmented cell, and then you can open the installed ITK-SNAP exe. Yeah, it is a little different. It is the original ITK, so it has no the configured NIFTI first directory button here. They look same. They look similar, but they're totally different things. So here you can have a look between the raw membrane and the segmented cell. So you jack the raw membrane .ni.gz directory into the ITK window, and then you can see that in a 3D way as a MRI image. You can see the image, the raw membrane image in a 3D way very easily. And then you jack the segmented cell into the ITK windows as well, and then click the button load as segmentation, and then you can see the segmented cell as well as the raw membrane cell. you can check the overall label opacity slide here to turn the segmented cell as transparent, so that you can compare that. And yeah, and it is a very convenient way to have an inside view of your 3D data. And yeah, that's it.